Hey, this is Kurt DeYoung live from the InfoComm show floor here. And what we're going to show you today is our Engage Pro line. This is our premium end mini COB product that comes in 0.7, 0.9, and 1.2 millimeter pixel pitches. This is running on our Aurora processing solution that we announced at InfoComm 2025. And really it just shows you the spectacular image quality. You can't feel it through the camera, but it runs incredibly cool and really provides great clarity for security operations centers, mission critical applications, as well as corporate experience centers in high-end spaces that every company has. So if you're looking for a premium end video wall with very great efficiency and beautiful color, pair it up with our Aurora processor at nanolumens.com, you can see all the details. So Engage Pro, 0.7 to 1.2 COB product, come check it out on nanolumens.com.